Last thing, text areas. So for example, we can place one here. These are usually compatible with everything, and they're composed of two pieces. The text area itself, in this case a circle, which can also be changed to a rectangle if you want to, and has the ability of being resized up and down and left and right, just like the void, right? So let's switch it back to a circle, and let's make it a little bit smaller. Now, what is this area? This area is this. As long as you stay inside it, this message will be triggered, okay? This message which can be moved independent from the area, but if you move the area, the message moves with it. Okay, so if I put this area over here, it means I'm gonna get this message to appear as soon as I start the level. Okay, now let's click on the area again. We can change the color. This will change the color of the text. I've made it green now, or we can make it yellow. And we can change to square and rectangle and circle, as I showed before. You can have infinite uses of single use. Now this is invisible in game, right? So there's nothing to see. That's why it doesn't change the way it looks, but you can make it single use. So that means that the message will only trigger once, or it can trigger multiple times by clicking here, and it will trigger as many times as you go back into the area after you leave it. And then we can also go to the text. If we click on ABC, this leads us to the text object. You can also do it by clicking here. You can still change the color while in here, and go back to the message and change the actual text. Let's try that. I have a limit of 256 characters. So this is a really interesting message that I intend to put here at the start of the level. Easy, right? And so now that I've done this, I've got a lovely message that appears here and will appear as soon as I start the level. Let's go and test drive this. Let's give it a save first, and let's take a look at all of the objects we've added. So I'm gonna again go with the default ship and start in Core Hunt. As soon as I press start, this is a really interesting message that I intend to put here at the start of the level. It's infinite uses, so if I leave it and then go back, it appears again. Now this, I don't remember how many we put, I think it's 5. So if I use the entire tank, or 3 I guess, you'll see that I have quite a bit to go here. Let's see here, there's the green door. Whoa, that's a fairly quick door. What about this one? Oh, that's a slow door. Okay, interesting. What about these boosts? Oh boy. Okay, so those work. There's a checkpoint over here. Pressed. There's a black hole over here. Whoa, keep me in, please. There we go. Then there's a wormhole. That's a multi-use, and therefore we can just be here. All right. Uh-oh, I've made a few bad logistical choices. Now let's see if I can go and hit that pinball to help me smash into things fast enough. There we go. I've got some fuel out. Let's see if I can go and grab it. Ole, got it. All right, we're still alive. We're still alive and kicking. Let's try and destroy these to get to that fuel pellet and the shield, which will then allow us to break things. There we go. That's not bad. Obviously a fairly silly level, but there you go, I got them all. And I can now go and land. Let's land in celebration. This may be good enough. Nope. I'm gonna use my secret trick. There we go. Lazy, ain't ya? Excellent, no deaths. Perfect. And that's how you make levels in Thrusty Ship. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the feature. I hope you get as many levels as you want. Get to make many levels so I can, check them out myself and play them. And who knows, perhaps I'll choose the best ones and maybe they'll be included in the game proper at some point. Who knows? Who knows what lies ahead of us? Thank you all for your attention, and I will see you again in space. Bye-bye.